Hey guys, in today's video let's make this very cute and easy box in a card. All the materials required to make this are listed in the description box. So let's get into the video. First, let's create the box. For that, I am taking a paper of measurement 15 centimeters into 15 centimeters. Then I am marking a line of 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. Then I am turning the paper around and again marking 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. Next, I am taking my scissor and I am cutting along this line, this line, this line, and this line. And then I am cutting like this to create the flaps. So I am creating 4 flaps for the 4 sides of the box. And it should look something like this. Then I am folding along these lines and then I'll apply some glue and paste the flaps. And my cute little box is here. Next, I am making the top portion of the box. For that, I am taking a paper of 8.2 into 8.2 centimeters. And I am marking 1.5 centimeters, 5.2 centimeters, and 1.5 centimeters. Then I am rotating the paper and marking 1.5 centimeters, 5.2 centimeters, and 1.5 centimeters. And then I am cutting this line, this line, this line, and this line. And then I am cutting along like this to create the flaps. Then I am folding along the lines and applying some glue and pasting this up. I am just using these wooden clips to hold it up while they dry. And here is the cute little box. Next, to make the card, I am taking a paper of measurements 20 centimeters into 15 centimeters and I am folding it into half. Then I am marking 2 centimeters from this end. And then I am marking 5 centimeters. So basically I am just drawing a square of sides 5 into 5 centimeters, leaving a 2 centimeters border from the right end. Next I am taking my scissors and cutting out this square. Next, I am taking a strip of white paper of measurements 15 into 3 centimeters. And I am taking a strip of pattern paper of measurement 15 into 2.5 centimeters. And I am pasting the pattern paper onto the white paper. And then I am pasting this onto my card. And I have handwritten and cut out birthday hugs, and I'm going to paste that over here. And lastly, I have a butterfly cut out, which I have cut using my die cutting machine, and I'm pasting it here onto the box. And lastly, I'll insert the box in this area. And this is it for today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And see you in the next video. Bye.